Dr. BLT here to discuss the role of the Bakersfield Sound in cross-cultural, cross-generational pollination and anti-mechanomorphism. Now that's a big title, but basically the Bakersfield Sound serves as a metaphor for the freeing up of the human spirit and the humanization of country music. The Bakersfield Sound was the punk movement of country back in the 50s and 60s, rebelling against the Nashville Sound, which was marked by sort of a mechanical, artificial type of production. And right now in psychology, there's a mechanomorphism happening, where the human spirit is being reduced to a machine, namely the computer. So through a series of song talks, I will illustrate how the Bakersfield Sound can be drawn upon as a model for deconstructing cognitive psychology and rebuilding it according to humanistic principles. And I'm going to start with a song called Next Buck Owens. If you want to be the next Buck Owens, if you want to grab the tiger by the tail, just give him all you got there to be different. Sing out from your heart, let your guitars wail. Be yourself, be yourself. You don't have to be anybody else if you want to be the next Buck Owen. Break some hearts and make some spirits mad. If you want to be the next Merle Haggard, you don't have to sing and fight inside of me. Just give them all you got there to be different. Sing out from your heart, set the spirits free. Be yourself, be yourself. You don't have to be anybody else if you want to be the next Buck Owen. Just break some hearts and make some spirits mad. Be yourself, be yourself. You don't have to be anybody else if you want to be the next Buck Owen. Break some hearts and make some spirits mad. If you want to be the next Buck Owens, just break some hearts and make some spirits mad. So that's the next Buck Owens. And I just wanted to say a few other words about the cross-cultural, cross-generational pollination that was effected by the Bakersfield Sound. The Bakersfield Sound crossed boundaries of genre. It introduced various cultural elements. The music of Oklahoma was introduced into the middle of California, and also there were some Spanish elements that are found in the Bakersfield Sound. And of course, there are musicians active right now that have been highly influenced by people like Buck Owens, Merle Haggard, Jelly Sanders, Oscar Whittington, Tommy Collins, and the like. And so there's a sort of cross-generational pollination that is taking place, and it's very vibrant, it's very authentic, and like I said before, it can be drawn upon as a metaphor and applied to the field of cognitive psychology, because it's all about authenticity, being real. being yourself. And that's where psychology needs to go. So learn from the Bakersfield Sound. Give up the mechanomorphism and adopt authenticity that is more characteristic of humanism and existentialism. I'm Dr. BLT. You've listened to Song Talks.